Hello students, welcome back to your class. Today we are going to see mean deviation individual series. Okay, in the previous class also we saw the same topic, that is mean deviation individual series, but in that we calculated mean deviation from mean. Okay, but today we are going to see mean deviation from median. So I've already told you that mean deviation can be calculated either from mean, median or mode. Okay, so in the previous class we covered mean deviation from mean. So in today's class we are going to see mean deviation from median, right? So here I've given you the formula, that is mean deviation median. So you can see that clearly. If I'm zooming it, I think you can see it clearly. So here you can see that mean deviation M. So in the previous class we saw mean deviation from median. So today we are going to see mean deviation from median. Okay, that is mean deviation, it is the same. The formula is the same. That is summation d bar divided by n. So I've already told you that this should be represented as summation d bar by n. So here we have given the d within so that is parallel lines. So we should tell it as summation d bar divided by n. Okay. Similarly, this is coefficient of mean deviation. So here also the formula is the same. From that is the coefficient of mean deviation from mean we saw in the previous class. So here also it is the same. That is mean deviation divided by median. So the difference is, from if you're calculating mean deviation from mean, then you should divide by x bar. When you're going to calculate mean deviation from median, then you should divide it by median. Okay, that is the difference. Only difference is you're going to divide it by median. Okay, now let us move on to a problem. See, I have given you this problem. Calculate mean deviation from mean as well as from median. So we have covered mean in the previous class. Today we are going to see the mean deviation from median. Okay. So this is the calculation part. So if for median, I have already told you that you should arrange the values in ascending order. Do you remember that step? Median, and for quartile deviation, we have to arrange the given x values in ascending or descending order. So here we are arranging it in ascending order for simplicity's sake. In this particular problem, the values are already arranged. For example, you can see that the values are 20, 22, 25, 38, 40, 50, 65, 70, 75. So it is arranged in ascending order. So the first step is not needed for this particular problem. Okay, it is already arranged. Now we are going to apply the formula. What is the formula? Median, for median, that is median is equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth value. So that is, we can say either tooth value or tooth item. Okay, so I'm here written as tooth item. So this is tooth item is like this. So tooth item, you have to combine this and tell. Okay, tooth item. So that is size of, what is n? N is number of values in x. So how many values are there in x? You can see this. Just count it and see the values. How many values are given here? There are 9 values. So n is equal to 9. So this is what I have taken in the formula. So size of, in the place of n, we are taking, in the place of n, what we are taking? In the place of n, we are taking 9. Okay. So in the place of n, we have taken 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. What is 10 divided by 2? That is 5. So this is not the answer. This is the fifth value or fifth item. So from the arranged values, we have to see which is the fifth value. Okay. So in the arranged value, which is the fifth value? That is, for count and see here. Like we have to count it and see. Okay. That is, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the value of median? Median is 40. That is what I have written here. Median is equal to 40. Okay. This is how we should calculate median. So I have put a separate video to how to calculate median in the previous classes. You can just go and check it out. Okay. Now coming to mean deviation. So this is mean deviation from median. So இது வந்து என்னது mean deviation எதிலிருந்து calculate பண்ணுறோம் medianல இருந்து. அதுக்காக first step என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to calculate median. Then only we can move on to mean deviation. Okay, so what is the formula for mean deviation? That is, you can see that formula. Mean deviation from median is equal to summation d bar by n. That is, so what is summation d bar? How will you calculate d bar? We have to calculate d bar like this. What is d bar? D bar is equal to x minus median. So what is the value of median? We got it as 40. What is the value of median? We got it as 40. So that we have to take it and minus the other values from x. So I've already told you that d bar அப்படினாவே வந்து no negative signs. Negative signs இல்லாமல் என்ன வேல்யூ வருதோ அதை மட்டும் எடுத்து எழுதுனா போதும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இல்லையா. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து 20 மீடியனோட வேல்யூ என்னது 40 அப்படின்னு கிடச்சிருந்தது. ஸோ we have to minus all these x values from 40. Okay, so the first value is what? 20 minus 40, that is 20. Next one is 22 minus 40, that is 28. Similarly, we have to calculate all the values for d bar. Then the summation d bar is equal to 155. So this is summation d bar. So no negative signs. You have to just write the difference alone. என்ன difference, என்ன வித்தியாசம் வருதோ அதை மட்டும் எடுத்து எழுதினா போதும். ஒவ்வொரு வேல்யூஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், எக்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா வேல்யூஸையும் மீடியனில் மைனஸ் பண்ணுறோம். மீடியன் வேல்யூ என்ன கிடைச்சிது? 14 வந்துடுது. ஸோ இந்த 40 எடுத்துகிட்டு நம்ம வந்து இருக்கக்கூடிய எக்ஸ் வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் டி பார். ஓகே, ஸோ டி பார் வந்து சமேஷன் டி பார் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா தட் இஸ் 155. Now coming to the formula. What is the formula? Mean deviation from median, that is equal to summation d bar divided by n, that is equal to 155 divided by n. So what is summation d bar? We have got it here as summation d bar is equal to what? 155. So this value we are going to take it and write it in the formula. So that is 155 divided by 9, that is equal to 17.22. So this is mean deviation from median. So I have told you we have to calculate the coefficient of mean deviation also. Okay, so what is coefficient of mean deviation? That is mean deviation divided by median. What is mean deviation value? Mean deviation நமக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்கு? 17.22. So அதை வந்து நம்ம என்ன எழுதுறோம்? இங்கே எழுதுறோம் 17.22. What is median value? Median is 40. So 40 divided by 40, that is equal to 0.43. So this is how we should calculate mean deviation from median. So what is the first step? We have to see whether the given values are arranged in ascending order, and we have to arrange that. Okay, first step is arrange the values in ascending order. So if it is arranged, you can just leave it. So first step is what? We have to arrange the values in ascending order. Okay, and the second step is we have to calculate median. Okay, we have to calculate median. Then we have to calculate, what is the third step? We have to calculate d bar. What is d bar? X minus median. அதாவது x வேல்யூஸ்லேருந்து மீடியன் வேல்யூ எடுத்துகிட்டு நம்ம வந்து மைனஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து நம்ம இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கிறது. சரியா, இது எல்லாமே வந்து d bar வேல்யூ. Now I hope you all understood this problem. It is very simple. So first step என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to arrange the values, x values. Okay, second step is we have to find out the median. What is the third step? We have to calculate d bar. Okay, then we have to move on to the formula. What is the formula? The formula is mean deviation from median is equal to summation d bar divided by n, that is 155 by 9. What is n? என்னன்னா என்னது? என்னங்கிறது வந்து எவ்வளோ வேல்யூஸ் இருக்குது, எக்ஸில் வந்து எவ்வளோ வேல்யூஸ் இருக்குன்னு எடுக்கிறோம். ஸோ n is equal to 9. Okay, that is 155 divided by 9, that is 17.22. Then coefficient of mean deviation, that is mean deviation divided by median, that is equal to 17.22 divided by 40, that is 0.43. So it's very simple. Okay, I hope you all understood this problem. You have to do the homework problem also. I have given the homework problem in the next slide. You can go through the slide. So what is a homework problem? Calculate mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation for the following individual data. So you have covered your homework for mean deviation from mean. Today you have to calculate mean deviation from median. So mean deviation from median. Okay, this is a homework problem. Do this and post it in the Google Classroom. Thank you, dear students.